I will never look at strawberries the same way again. Let's see why. Today, we're comparing fresh and moldy strawberries under the microscope. A fresh strawberry is bright red with a smooth surface and tiny seeds. But a moldy strawberry? It's got white, green, or gray spots and often smells pretty bad. Now, let's zoom in on mold. First up, Penicillium. This mold is famous for making penicillin. Under the microscope, you'll see long, thread-like hyphae forming a tangled mycelium network. Look closer and you'll spot conidiophores, the stalks that sprout spores. These spores can be green or blue-green and grow in chains. Next, meet Aspergillus. This mold loves damp places like walls and food. Under the microscope, its branched mycelium and septate hyphae are easy to see. The conidiophores here swell at the tips, releasing spores that can be green or brown, sometimes with fine textures. Isn't it amazing what you can discover with a microscope?